Hey, Chuck. Let me hit you right back, man. I'm about to light this firework. Uh-huh. What you say now, Chuck? Hey, you's a plum fool. And that's a for sure right on. Uh-huh. Well, let me hit you right back. Okay. All right now. Phew. That's all right there. Okay? Oh, hey.